Welcome back to Maker Creation Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take animated GIF images and display them on an OLED or TFT screen. We're going to convert the GIF files into raw bin frames, so let's get right into it. First, you're going to want to find a copy of your favorite GIF and download it to your computer. Then head over to easygif.com and upload the image. From there, you're going to want to resize it for your display. In my case, it's 128 by 128 pixels. So you can crop it or you can scale it down. Then you're going to want to click Resize Image and save it to your computer. Next, head over to the code website and grab this text file right here. You're then going to select all, copy, head over to Google Colab and open up a new notebook. There you're going to want to paste in the Python script. You're only going to have to change a few things here, basically just the GIF name and the path. This script will automatically grab and place files on your Google Drive. Make sure you connect and mount so your script has drive access. When that's all good, run the Python script. You're going to see all the frames stored in a folder on your Google Drive. Grab that folder, download it, and throw it on your SD card. Now let's take a look at the IDE sketch. Basically, all you have to change is the number of frames and the path name here. Make sure it matches exactly the files on the SD card. Be sure to grab any libraries that you don't have. If your colors look off, it's usually a color or byte order issue. Some displays expect RGB, while others expect BGR. This sketch can be adapted to any OLED or TFT screen, and I've even provided a version using the TFT SPI library. There are a few variations here, one using PSRAM and one loading the frames directly from SD. That's basically it. If you have any questions or if you need any help adjusting the sketches to your display, let me know in the comments. That's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.